Hello, everyone. This is Mike Mixon coming to you with a quick video about the Cash Building System Unlimited. I'm going to be dropping a couple videos for you in the form of a case study. It's going to be a part one and a part two about this particular platform that's a postcard system. And so basically, this particular postcard platform is pocketing the average individual $2,500 to $3,500 in cash. It's a simple postcard system. And for the phase one, there's only a one-time $50 startup fee, and it's a done-for-you system. And so really what I want to do is kind of provide you guys with some information in terms of what's all involved with this. And so on this first part of this case study, I'm going to be walking you through the website, and then I'm also going to be showing you exactly what comes in your welcome kit. Okay, so this is on the website. And so as you can see, there's an initial video up top, and it's a pretty short clip. It's only 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And it just basically kind of walks you through what's all involved in this particular platform. And so I think you'll thoroughly enjoy that. And I think you'll be pleased once you're done watching that. Beneath that, there's another one that's a little bit longer. It's about almost 14 minutes. That just really pretty much takes a little bit deeper dive into everything that's involved with this platform. So it just really gives you more of an overview of the Cash Building System Unlimited through JD Marketing. So I'll be covering some of that. But again, for those of you that are watching this and when you're done, you can click on this video and get some further information here. So as we introduce to you the Cash Building System Unlimited, there's no experience needed. There's no cold calling, no emailing or spamming your friends, no selling to strangers, no explaining the program either. It pretty much explains itself. No auto shipping. Now, as you see here, it says no computer required. Now, again, for those that are going to be utilizing this platform offline, then no, you don't need a computer or you don't need internet access. But now for those who really want to take advantage of this platform and do well, we encourage you to utilize both offline and online. So therefore you would need a computer and you'd also need an internet connection. And this particular thing is not confusing at all. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. And so as I mentioned before, phase one, there's a $50 one-time fee. And then we get to phase two. And this is really where you really start to make your money. And so with phase two, from the time you sign up, you actually got a 15-day grace period to upgrade. And basically what that promotion is right now is, say, for instance, if you wanted to come in at level one, which is $100, you would automatically get bumped up to level two. Or if you wanted to come in at the $500 level, you would automatically get bumped up to the level three and so forth. And so kind of give you a scenario of the type of cash that you can earn from this particular platform. Let's say you upgraded to level one at $100, and then you brought on somebody who came in at level one. You would then be immediately eligible for $70. Your sponsor would be eligible for $20, and the company JD Marketing would get $10. Let's say if you came in at the five, you were upgraded to the level three. You would immediately be eligible for, if you brought somebody on at that level three, you would receive $700. Your sponsor would receive $200. JD Marketing would receive $100. Now, I just want to make sure this point is clear. Again, if you came in and you were bumped up to, whatever level, say level three, but then you brought somebody on and, they went a little bit, well and beyond and above, and they came in at level four, which is above you. And then they brought somebody on, then, they would get your sponsor would actually get the additional money, in terms of that $1,000 that would basically leapfrog you and go over to your sponsor. And that's essentially what you don't want to happen. So again, I'm not here to tell you where to come in at. I would say really that sweet spot that most people are coming in is between level two and level four. And so the other beautiful thing about this platform is even if wherever level you come in at, say if you came in at a level three, and then at some point as you start to see, money start to come in and you want to upgrade, you just pay the difference. You don't have to pay that entire $1,500 over again, which is beautiful about this system. And so we're seeing a lot of people, take advantage of this phase two upgrade. Next, as you see here, we have a phone number that you can call and get some more additional information, or they can answer your questions. And then if you wanted to get started, all you would have to do is click here, and then that's going to take you over to this page here. And so again, the sponsor ID number, you do need to input that here. This is by referral only. And then just simply fill out the rest of this information, and it will take you to a screen to where you can submit your credit card information. Now, obviously, we're going to have some individuals who, maybe don't want to send in via their credit card. they can actually send it in via flyer and just mail it in. There's an envelope within your welcome kit that you can fill out that information, send it in, and you get your welcome kit that way. Now, keep in mind that is going to take a little bit longer, but again, that's just an option that we wanted to make available. Now, something that's really cool is previously how this was set up was that you would come in, pay your $50, and then you would have to basically sit and wait for your 200 leads, your 200 postcards, and your welcome kit to come in. But now they've modified that. And so now, rather than waiting, you can actually do your phase one and your phase two at the same time. So I'm going to kind of walk you through and show you what that looks like. And so as you can see over here, you've got 9 options of joining right from jump. You don't have to do one and then wait on the other. So again, everybody has to pay that phase one, which is $50. But again, like I said, they just made this adjustment. So rather than waiting, you can actually do phase one and phase two at the same time. So if you wanted to come in at phase one, which is that $100 level, you pay that initial $50 one time, and then the $100, and you'll get your 400 postcards and your 400 mailing labels. Phase three, which is $500, and then also the $50 for the initial phase one. And again, you get your 400 postcards and your 400 mailing labels. So guys, this is really great. I wish I had it when I signed up, but now for you, they just made it a lot easier. And it's a little bit more streamlined, and you can just really do it one time and don't have to worry about waiting for your welcome kit to arrive. So again, keep it in mind, you have these different option packages all the way from option one all the way up to option 9, which is the $5,000 level right there. Okay. So again, on this particular website here, which again, it's a customizable. You'll have your image, you'll have your name, you'll have your ID number up here, and then you'll have the contact information. So, if you guys have questions, I'm available. You just simply either give me a call, shoot me an email. As you can see, you'll have links for your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and so forth. And so now what I like to do is just kind of show you guys exactly what comes in your welcome kit. And so you'll receive basically an envelope like this. It'll have your ID number right there. You'll receive your 200 postcards. And then on the back, you'll see it'll actually have the compensation plan as well that we just kind of went through. Also included within your kit, you're going to receive your 200 labels. And those are peel and stick labels. And then here, we also have the form to where you can order additional postcards. Now, keep in mind, when somebody actually upgrades, you'll also get, an additional 200 leads and 200 postcards. So keep that in mind. And then here we have to where if you wanted to order more, if you're, somebody that really wants to put out a lot of postcards, we have this form here through JD Marketing to where you can either order just the postcards, or you can order just the labels, or you can actually order the combination of both. Here, we also have another form that basically, again, breaks down the compensation program just in terms of the spillover bonus, the upgrade bonus, and also how to get started. It also has Jay Dagan's information in terms of his Cash App and also his PayPal. So those avenues will allow you to expedite any type of payment. So say, you've already gone through here and you selected your phase one and phase two, but then at some point later on down the road, you want to upgrade again, you can simply Cash App or PayPal this to Jay and he'll get it a lot quicker. So this is what that form looks like. And so very similar to what I had already showed you. And then again, you also have this other form in here that basically welcomes you to the Cash Building System Unlimited and shows your ID number and all that information. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. I think that, for those that are on the fence, I would say for $50, I mean, what do you have to lose? Sitting on the sidelines is not going to put any money in your pocket. So I would say, again, go ahead and give it a try. I think, again, if you look on YouTube, and there's a lot of videos, there's a lot of feedback from people who have joined this system, and people are, making some pretty good money. But again, you're only going to get out of it what you put into it. So if you come in and you put out postcards, the key is about being consistent. So, you can put anywhere from 100 to 500 postcards a week, whatever you feel like you can, get out there, and then you'll start to see, that money start to come in. So I hope you guys found a lot of value in this video. And if you have any questions, you can always, like I said, shoot me an email, give me a call. Love to have you join my team. and I'll talk to you soon. Over and out.